Today you learn how to turn a lifeless chord chart into a beautiful fully arrangement song. We're going to use the chords that are already in the song with the same notes, but adding the special touch. This lesson is perfect for you that want to play beautiful and fully arrangement songs, even as a beginner. So let's dive in. The first step is to learn the chords. To do that, simply go to Google and type in the song's name plus chords. For example, I'm using the song Californication, so I'll type in Californication plus chords, and then you can have a few options. And for our example, we have 5 chords to learn. The first one, A minor, A, C, E with A. You can play just the root or doing octaves like this, the same notes. F major, F, A, C with F. C major, C, E, G with C. G major, G, B, D with G, and D minor, D, F, A with D. To help you memorize all those chords and other ones, you can download my free ebook called Essential Chords. The link is in the description down below. It's free. Back to the lesson. After you've learned all the chords, now you have to play these chords in tempo. That means just following the lyrics plus the chords. So you have the lyrics and then you have the chords. You just play just one time like this. That's it for now. So let's listen how it sounds with the vocals.
Psychic spots from China try to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
The second step is to find a rhythm pattern, which means then you can repeat those chords to fill up the song. And I highly recommend you to use this pattern because it works in almost every song. So this pattern, you're gonna play the chord, for example, A minor, A, C, E with A, with both hands together for 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then you play the top 2 notes and then the bottom note. You sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Other chords, exactly the same process. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But if you have 2 chords per bar, 2 chords per measure, exactly the same thing, but you split the pattern in half. For example, I'm playing C major and then I'll move to G major. So you play 1 time, everything together, and then top 2 notes, bottom, and then move to the next chord. Everything together, top 2 notes, bottom. You sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and so on. Our goal now is just doing this pattern and following the chord progression. It does sound a little bit repetitive, but it will change that in the third step. But for now, let's listen how it sounds with this pattern.
Psychic spots from China try to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
Now for the third step, it's time to add a little bit of special touch, the touch. And for that, let's use the technique that I call affirmation. That means you play the chord, for example, C major, and then you're gonna play different inversions for the same chord. In other words, you just move the notes. For example, I have this C, C, E, G. You play this C to the top. You move this C over here. So we have C, C again. You can do it again, moving this C to the top as well, like this. So for the same chord, you have this different sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change everything. So for our pattern, you can play 3 times the same chord. For example, 1, 2, 3, and then play the affirmation, and then just go back. Or even you can repeat more than that. You can play 1, 2, 3, 4. You can play upwards and backwards as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Be honest, you have so many options with this, and sometimes you also can break the expectation, which means you can play the pattern 1, 2, and then just hold in the chord and then keep playing. You have, for example, 1, 2, break, 4, and, or you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, just hold it. Or you can do exactly the same thing and mixed with the affirmation. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and, or 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. And to give you some ideas, now I'm gonna play the whole song for you, adding all those elements.
Psychic spots from China trying to steal your mind's elation, and little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells
Now to learn how to play beautiful rhythm patterns like this, so just click on this video up here. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next tutorial.